The Royal Thimphu College campus is one of the most unique locations in the country, offering a truly distinctive destination for any style of event.
Such as retreats, conferences, workshops, meetings, training programs, and any other special events. Our state-of-the-art auditorium offers comfortable seating for over 600 participants for large-scale events. Guest house services, nestled in the heart of our serene campus, surrounded by delightful greenery.
Fully equipped computer labs with high internet connectivity and modern seminar halls are ideal venues for group discussions and medium-sized presentations. A variety of catering options can be provided for your event, from refreshments and light snacks to buffet meals.
The multi-purpose hall is an ideal space for events that would require mass seating arrangements.
Excellent on-campus games, sporting and fitness facilities.
Get in touch for all your event hosting needs.